and the Fiji flag is raised, I invite you all to sing the national anthem.
Ladies and gentlemen, the school students, I would like to recognize your attendance this morning. As I've heard that students come as far as Levuka. The student from Rampur, students from Nambukabesi and teachers, Ndombulanaka, student, staff and student from Masilini, staff and students from Del Cusa Boys. I hope the girls are here too. Staff and students from St. Vincent's. Staff and students from Mars Primary. And all the schools in Ovalau. A very good morning to you all. It is a pleasure and an honor to join you today to celebrate Fiji Day. As of today, Friday 10th October 2014 is now stepping into the 44th year of our independence. Today is a day of joy and pride of all Fijians. And I'm extremely happy to be here in Levuka as the chief guest to open the celebration for the East Division. I'm not also proud that I was not mentioned this morning by the PLO Maviti, that I was part of the celebration too as a student of Levuka Public School 42 years ago. It was 42 years ago, I was just like you out there, student standing there as a student of Levuka Public School. Fiji has come a long way since 1970, and we were given to the instrument of independence by Her Majesty the Queen. Since then, we as a nation have grown together. Along the way, we have faced many obstacles, but we have advanced and developed tremendously strong because of the spirit and the determination that all Fijians have held within to strive and flourish. Our theme of our Fiji Day celebration for 2014 is celebrating Fiji's new dawn. Recently in September, we, the people of Fiji, had cast our votes in the first ever truly fair elections. The voters' turnout of over 80% signifies the willingness of our people to partake in our new democracy. You have spoken and elected the 50 representatives who now sits in our newly refurbished parliament that was opened on the 7th October 2014 by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji. During his address, His Excellency highlighted that it was a historic occasion for Fiji. We now have a constitution and a parliament with a democratically elected government. This will provide the basis of all Fijians to live in a just, exciting, free, strong, and vibrant multicultural society. This is the heralding of a new dawn, the new dawn that we are celebrating today. For the first time, the rights of all races who call Fiji their home are recognized. For the first time, each Fijian's vote carry equal weight and power. For the first time, economic, social and human rights are recognized with written down as part of our supreme law. This means that government will be obligated to provide the necessary environment for our children and grandchildren to be educated, practice their religion freely, and be respected and valued as part of our community, irrespective of their races, creed, or color. Today is also a time we must also reflect on our past. Fiji has a rich and proud history. We have many shining examples of men and women who have made all their lives one of service to this nation. We thank them for this, and we encourage you and many more to follow in their footsteps, whether be it in government, in the discipline services, in the business arena, or on the sporting field. We must also be inspired by our mothers, our father, our uncles, our aunts, our brothers and sisters, the older people who did extraordinary things to shape our lives and thus shape the destiny and future of our beloved country. Today is the time to look forward to our future. I believe we are on the verge of achieving even greater things. We now have a democratically elected government, and our Prime Minister has stated clearly, this will be a government for the people. No matter what your race is, no matter what is your religion, your gender, or your political allegiance, this means that the government is committed to serving you, the people of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here to celebrate and enjoy our nation's 44th Independence Day. It is now my pleasure to officially open the Eastern Division Fiji Day celebration. And to you all, Vinagawalevu, Shukriya, Danebad, and thank you very much. May God bless Fiji.
Yo ni mbula binaka na mai viti raramba, ongai na koromakawa, Levuka na Ovalau, marata kichiki na ikena kena mai bananumi na Fiji Day, o Levuka na banua soliki no viti na tinkawalu utso urkawa. Mami binaka banuni binaka tuani vekenda ke viti raramba, nanda maruta katiko na nanda Tuitubou, sama banuni takituani ni na ndona tostoso binaka. Nembaki ni vilutaki ni matentun sanda ndono machomo.